So we have our Dangers of Smoking magnetic pack here. It's actually the first magnetic pack we produced, and it's full of great information on those dangers that smoking can have. We do have a vaping pack as well, which is just been produced. As with other packs, lots of images in here, your text descriptions, placed on magnetic board, and in this case, A3 version goes on the professional board. We have an A4 size one that goes on the school. In a moment, you're going to see me placing these images up, and it will speed through so that you can see all the different images that go on. My BodyBoard, myeducationworld.co.uk to purchase these direct from us. My BodyBoard of Dangers of Smoking pack. You can see we've got some text descriptions for areas that you can place up for writing. 90,000 deaths a year in the UK alone, second-hand smoke, damage to the body, gross things such as losing feet through smoking, the addiction, pretending it's not there, bad breath, chemicals, lots of different areas. Full activity plan, details for each magnet. If you want to get this Dangers of Smoking magnetic pack and the BodyBoard, go to myeducationworld.co.uk. That's myeducationworld.co.uk.